Okay. Uh, let's see. Now, there we go. This is Simona. Simona, I like this painting. And there are many positive aspects. I like the placement of the figure on the page. You've done so many positive things. But there are a couple of problems that we're going to have to address. I, as I said, while I was sitting here somewhere, I'm not going to be able to find it. I'll find it. The problem overall, Simona, is that it's a page full of light, and then we have a couple of dark. So the sky's light, the water's light, the sand is light. This she's sitting on a log, I guess. Is light. It's light, 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 light. So if I cover up that little piece of her hair, this is a page of light, and we can entertain. You've got a great light on the hat, but we show that light off. Uh, let's come in. And I don't want the sky to be dark, but if I drop this down a little darker in value, that is going to show off the hat as being lighter in value. See, that helped right away. I'm tempted to do it a little bit more. Uh, let's just ease it down a little bit more. And that turns the hat on, especially now that reads nicely. Then we can come in to the water and we can really bring that nice dark there, and that's going to show off that hat very nicely. And then we'll let that transition a bit lighter in here. Now that hat is working, the flesh in the light is working much, much better. Hey, everybody, and thanks for being with us. If you enjoyed the demo, give us a thumbs up and write a comment. And if this is the kind of content you're looking for in watercolor, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps Martha and me out more than you know. Thanks again. See you soon. Now, we need a transition here. So we've got this is being darker, then we want this to be lighter. So we've got a lighter in the sand next to the lighter on the suit. And so what I'm doing is I assume that suit was a light metal value. I'm just going to come in and drop that down a little stronger so that it will read a little darker. So that reads darker next to lighter. And then we'll let that go down to her arm there. And I don't like that I don't have an arm there. We could just come in and hint a little bit at her arm there as well. And then now we could come in and use a nice shadow and tie her down, hook her. Don't tell me where she stops and the log starts. We want that to be nice middle value to dark log. Again, more entertaining. Let that tie together there. Maybe put a little limb cut up. That didn't look like a limb, Don. So let that be apart and let that be apart. And then we'll bring a shadow down there as well. So we're accentuating the lights by getting rid of some. Now, also, I'm gonna just see if I can find it real quick. I want you to think about the word gesture. Uh, when I look at the figure, she is sitting a little bit just too straight up and down. And I had, again, while Martha was, there it is, while Martha was doing uh, all her technical stuff, if we just, and that's the way we sit, she's sitting a little bit straight. She's using her arm to prop herself up, and that would be, it's called a gesture. It just puts life into the painting. And so, I don't know if this is a painting of you or your daughter or a friend, but get somebody to just do the gesture. And you know, I always get, anytime I need, if I need somebody playing golf, I just get Martha to get a broom handle and act like she's, you know, does the gesture of golf, and and so it gives me a reference there. But gestures make figures come alive. So and I love the hat. I love the hat. Uh, and Also, let her hair, don't let her hair. That was one other thing I was going to mention. You're kind of letting her hair be all the same direction, like that. And it just helps to let it have some body to it, let it have some shape to it that is a little more visually entertaining there. I think you can make all of those corrections pretty much on this, or make the corrections and then get a little more of a gesture, and this could be a wonderful, wonderful painting. Very nice, Simona.